Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Ensure you have a replacement cable compatible with the Dyson HD07. If you're unsure about the compatibility, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you find the right part. 1. Preparation: unplug your Dyson HD07 from the wall outlet. This is crucial for your safety. Once unplugged, inspect the old cable for any visible damage. This will confirm that a replacement is necessary. 2. Accessing the cable: use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 3 screws to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. If you don't have the right tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling. 3. Removing the old cable: once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the unit. You'll now see the internal components. Locate the old cable attached to the power supply. Carefully disconnect it by unscrewing the terminals with your flathead screwdriver. Make note of how the cable is routed through the vacuum for later reference. 4. Cleaning the internals: before installing the new cable, take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe down the internal surfaces. This will help maintain your vacuum's performance. If you find any issues during this process, remember we can provide a quote before repair for any additional work. 5. Installing the new cable: take your new replacement cable and route it through the same path as the old one. Connect the terminals to the power supply by screwing them in place. Ensure these connections are tight to avoid any electrical issues. 6. Reassembling the vacuum: once the new cable is securely connected, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten each screw firmly, ensuring the cover is secure, but be careful not to over-tighten. 7. Testing: after reassembly, plug the vacuum back into the wall outlet. Test the new cable by turning on the vacuum. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any problems, remember, our service includes no calls, no travel, just easy repairs. 8. Final check: lastly, do a visual inspection of the cable along its length to ensure it's not pinched or damaged in any way. If everything looks good, your Dyson HD07 is ready for use again. By following these steps, you have successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD07. If you have any doubts or prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a hassle-free experience, including our pickup and delivery service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.